Announce really quickly at everyone. Okay, so let's go down with this. Actually, first let me open up this. Let me open up my stream so I can pop out the chat. Yeah, that's all we needed, and done. Okay, let's go back to Unreal Engine. Okay, we are in Unreal Engine now. So what I tried to do here is I tried to create a player list. When you open up tab, when you press tab, it just opens up a player list. So I haven't tested it yet. Let me test it real quick. Oh, by the way, if you want to play the game, it is in the link. I don't know if you would like to play the game, but if you want to, you can download it. And I fuck up the local. I think I forgot the local IP thing. Yeah, it's not .7, it's .1. 127.0.0.1. There we go. Yeah, as you can see, the only reason some people might not be able to play with others is if you are too far away or have a strict NAT, I think. Because if you have a strict NAT, it doesn't really work in favor of this game. I don't know, I don't get Unreal Engine logic. Anyways, so tab, oh well, does nothing, I guess. Oh wait, was I playing on the client? Because then maybe it does absolutely nothing. What the fuck? But it's supposed to create the widget. And it has the widget here. Why does it not do jack shit? What the fuck? That is weird. Well, it's an event construct that should clear the children from player list space. Wait, what? What are the children from player list space? Maybe it just clears the entire thing. Designer. There. No, not here. So wait, which? Okay, so player list space is the vertical box. Let me go there. Where is it supposed to do? Why is it not working? Maybe I need to do something else to make it work. Player name is variable. Yeah, we need that to be a variable so we can change it. Let me check real quick on the graph. Does it set the thing. Target is player, player name. Yeah, player. Set player name. What? Why does it not show up? Oh my god. What about we don't clear all the children? Would that work? This is just annoying. Like, let me open up the to-do list. I have this as a from my to-do list. I also have a proper menu to be set for a to-do list. But yeah, I seem to be unable to change jack shit. It just doesn't work. It doesn't even appear. Like, for all I know, it could work, but it just does not show that it works. Let's just play like this and see whether host the game. It does not even check if my fucking tab is pressed. Like, why though? Why are you not checking if tab is pressed? What the hell happened now? It literally froze the game. Let's say the breakpoint. Does it even work? Well, it does happen. Let's say this is just gonna be for a test. About this. And how do we skip this breakpoint after this? So like, it goes through everything, it doesn't say any errors, so maybe there's some problem with the visibility of it. Let's see what happens with no owning player. Nothing. Literally nothing happens with no owning player. I really don't know what's going on with this. Oh, hey. Hi there, Spark. Actually, I'm trying to make, how's it called? A player list. But every time I press tab, it says it works, but it just says, "Nah, fam, I'm not gonna show it." It's just it's like it's invisible, but it doesn't you know, say it's invisible. Player controller. Also, sorry, I didn't notice you joined the. I've added you to the mod list. So I mean, it should at least show me this thing. It should at least show me this, a thing with an empty space with the player list on top. It should just be like this, but it doesn't. It doesn't show me it. Why? I don't know. Visibility. Oh my fucking god. Cannot interact and doesn't affect hit testing on children. Bind. No worries. I didn't notice when I joined data because oh, that feels bad. I'm gonna increase the size of this. Yeah, compile. Handy tool for diagnosing. What is this even? Nope. What? Excuse me? No? Did it just take a screenshot of Unreal Engine? Is that what it did? Why would I need that? Oh. Oh. Yeah, no. I don't know what this does. I'd rather not mess up the entire game by accidentally touching it. It's in the horizontal box, so this should not change. The player list should actually have player like text in it. I don't get why, and I don't get why this doesn't appear even. Okay, maybe it just doesn't appear because it's not replicated on server and client. So let me just really quickly do the old classic multicast or run on server or whatever. Custom event. Open player list. Connect that here. Pressed. Open player up. No, don't open a level. Open player list. That's it. Here we're gonna put it on run on server with reliability because I always wanted to shoot it. I always wanted to make sure that it shows the thing. Close. Alright, I have to create custom event. Why? Oh. It's add custom event. Close player list. Okay. Server reliable. Lease. Close. Okay, compile it. Let me see how many, what's going on with the analytics. Right. Anyway, let's go back. Wait, what? Why is my kilobytes per second so low? Ah, shit. I should probably fix that for the next stream. That's it. It should now work if it was the problem. It doesn't. Why does it not work? Why? So why is it not watching the value though? Like, it just refuses to watch the value here. It just, bruh. Don't worry. It's covered up. That's why I feel relaxed showing this screen. If it wasn't covered up, then I wouldn't feel relaxed showing that screen. I just mute my phone just in case someone calls me. I don't want to get copyright struck by because someone called me on my phone. Why though? Why does this not work? It should work. But it clearly doesn't. I mean, what's the problem? It is visible. If that's a problem, it's visible. At least it's set to be visible. I need to do something here. Doubt. Let's go to player list and go to graph, I guess. So get player name, target is player state. For each construction, I guess it opens up for the array and gets a state, gets every player, and get player name, sends it over to set player name once it's created this widget, which, I mean, why couldn't I do this with one widget? Why do I have to do two widgets? Could possibly just, copy all this code over to the other. Probably won't work. But oh well. Actually, before we continue fixing up the UI, I'd like to first fix up my my model for the gun. As you can see, it's not very straight. Yeah, I'm gonna just detach it real quick from the FP mesh. Let's rotate it now. No, it won't rotate. So, see. Well, that's bad. Can we detach, can we rotate it by using this? Okay, yeah, this is much better for rotation wise. Do we rotate it a bit more? A bit this way? No, no. Where's rotation speed? Set scaling options, rotation grid snap. 2, I guess? That would work. Okay, that's better. Let's move it over here. It should be in the middle now. Compile. Let's test it out. Host game. Yeah, no, it's still not in the middle, and it just doesn't work because I forgot to put it back into the thing. Wait, what? Really? What's going on? So wait, are they properly... I really don't understand what they did to break this, so I just Control Z out of there. Okay, there we go. So let's just try this again. I'm gonna detach the mesh from the weapon. I'm gonna move this around to this. It should be okay. Now I'm gonna move this a tad slight bit there and then move this like this. I think that should be fine. And then I'm gonna reattach the mesh 2P to the weapon pivot and then compile it. So it should work. Now, well, it works, but it's still not pointing the same way that it should be pointing. I don't know how to make it point at the crosshair, which is bad. Imagine not being able to point at the crosshair. Okay, wait. I'm gonna try to see if I can do something about the thing. So be right back. If I can do something about the low bitrate I'm streaming at. Okay, that should be it. That should work now. I'm not sure if it's working now. It probably isn't. I bet it's not. It could be causing... to see if I can do something. It could be causing extreme lag. I'm not sure. I mean, it caused it to have better quality. Was it causing... Yeah. Yeah, no. I'm resetting it back. The more quality isn't worth the pain that my internet is. Okay, it should be streaming now again. I am not sure. Chat, can you tell me if it's streaming? I'm gonna pause this just to make sure it doesn't waste too much internet. Okay, so I'm gonna make... What? I didn't mean to open that. I'm gonna take this out again and try to rotate it a bit more, because I noticed it's pointing a bit downwards. Or maybe that's just because it's too downwards this way. Let's try compiling it like this. And host game. Oh boy. Ah, no. What happens if we put it on the pivot? I really wanna know. Host game. I mean, yeah, I don't know what I expected. At least it's more with the thing now. So I guess, yeah, it's a problem with the thing. With the rotation. Can you please, for fuck's sake, just... Let's see if that works. Host game. Let me just add it back to the pivot. Wait, actually, let me just move it a little bit down. Bro, why can't I fucking move this down? Compile. Host game. Let's now add it to the pivot. Okay, cool. Host again. I mean, does it work? Let's see. It seems to be working. I mean, it is kinda off. I really do not understand where it's looking. So, wait, I have a good idea how to check how it, where it's looking, so I can fix it. Physics gone. Visibility or camera? No. Draw debug. For duration, compile. The debug color should be orange. I mean red. Oh. Ah. So it's shooting a bit to the... It's shooting a bit to the top left instead of to the front. So we need to go bottom right to fix it. Which would be bottom left, I think, if we are looking towards the character. I'm trying my best, okay? Bottom left. Right? This way. Wait. How about... Where's the... Did I delete the arms? The arms would have helped me know where it was, but I think I deleted them. Wait. Okay, so... I think it is actually. I think we fit it perfectly this time. I'm gonna leave the arms actually. So it's easier for players to see each other, because I played earlier with a friend and I couldn't see... I couldn't see my friend on the other map that I have built. No, I mean, I don't mean it in like he wasn't there. He was there, obviously. I could see his gun, but I had to strain my eyes to see him. So having the arms would probably benefit the game a bit more. I mean, it's better. It definitely is better. Let's just try to set the climbing thing here. Okay. Freeze. 3. Freeze. And there we go. Okay, yeah, I mean, it's okay. Do you guys think it's okay? Should I change it? If anyone is even watching, let me check that. I mean, 2 people are watching, so hey, do you guys do you guys want me to change it, or should I leave it as it was? Might actually go over here, check how far it is. Oh, so this is also lowering the speed, and yeah, was. Why is it lagging so much? I was talking about not whether to add arms or not. I was talking on Yes, I'm gonna add an entire game player, like a player model. But what I was talking about was whether I should use, use this way. Like, is this pointing good, or should I change it to be more precise to the crosshair? Because I really can't find the position of the crosshair properly. Like, the crosshair is literally impossible to find. I'm trying to find it, I'm trying my best. But yeah, so far I've gotten somewhere, but it's still, like, see, it just shoots to the right. I mean to the left, but yeah. No, it's not for the arms. Like, the arms, of course, it's good to have a placeholder, so for now. But once I am gonna have a player model, the only thing that's gonna be left bothering me is, you know, whether this thing is aiming at the floor or is this thing aiming at the crosshair. Which, the crosshair is more important if you couldn't notice. Sorry. Oh. Huh. Alright. If you try to move, if you try to take an object that is frozen, this, in the background, this is what happens. Just saying. But it's not anything critical, it won't crash your game. It just logs it. I'm shooting out of the center of the gun. At least that, well, that's at least where it's pointing. From here, and whatever is picked up comes here, at this position of the arrow. It's, let's see how off it is. So it's like, I still cannot realize how off. Okay, so you have to go to the around an inch into it to get it to register. So I need to move it a bit to the right, I think. Yeah, right, from here. That should be it. Let's compile it. Close the game. Okay, this seems more realistic. yeah, it feels a bit off, but it's not that off. Yeah, but I'm trying to align it I'm trying my best to align it. Okay, so it still is a bit off, but it's much less off than it was before. So maybe one more to the right, that would be useful. Oh no, that's a lot to the right. One. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Okay, so this. Now it should pick it up. No. But you still have to go for a bit in there. I mean, that I think. Yeah. I mean, I don't get it why this is so confusing. It should be easier, but nope. Does it... Wait. Let's try putting it to the left. If that changes anything. I don't remember whether it was originally to the right or to the left. Like whether Unreal Engine originally placed it to the right or the left. I'm gonna stick it into the weapon pivot. Compile. I don't need to compile it for some reason because it says that it's already compiled. Yeah, no. It's worse. It's much worse if you do that. So I think it's better to leave it like I did before. There we go. Let's connect it to, like, there we go. That makes it sure to be exactly on point. Let's see, yeah. Well, exactly on point as, as you can be. Okay, let's try to build something. Does this freeze? Okay, so you do need to have it in. I'm kind of unfamiliar with my own game's mechanics because I really don't understand Unreal Engine sometimes, but sometimes I do, and yeah, it's confusing. I forgot something, and yeah. Okay, can you please just hop over? There we go. I want to make this also some sort of adventure thingy, but that's in the future. Not right now. I bet there's no such tutorial because Unreal Engine aligns like the first time you create a project with Unreal Engine, it aligns these with the camera. Maybe the rotation of the sphere is off. Let me check that. It could be that it's off. Sphere goes out. Let's rotate. Alarm. I forgot that it doesn't mute alarms. Okay, so wait. It's on 0. It's on 0 and it's on. Oh. Wait, is it already on? Does it already have something? Okay, so wait. Is it already on 0? I mean, I don't get it. Nope, I'm not gonna modify it anymore. I am not gonna fuck up it even more. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Yeah. Okay. Now back to the tab menu. I really doubt that it's gonna work. It's not gonna work, let's be honest. So let's just scrap this. Let's just scrap the player menu. I'm gonna go to the menu, to the normal menu, and make a better menu, a proper menu. A friend has designed me some menu for like a pause menu and stuff, but I'll use it for both pause and stuff. Would it please delete? Thank you very much. The friend in question is 11 pixels. I'm gonna put his stream in the link below once the stream is finished, because I forgot to put it in the description to this stream like when it was beginning, so yeah. Let's open menu. And let's open my... Okay. So I have to replicate this in here. Oh right, I set every PNG to open in Adobe Illustrator. Sorry. We're gonna have to wait, boys. Maybe next time I should not do that. Is it gonna open? Yay, not responding. There we go. So, yeah. I'm gonna try to... so, I'm gonna remove these so I can replace them with actual buttons in the game. Actually, I'm gonna keep them and overlay them with a button, so that way it's much better looking and stuff. Okay, so I'm just gonna import it real quick. I'm also gonna keep the join game because, yeah. Join, wait, let me just see this. Oh. I opened this thinking it was Illustrator for a second. So, this is I'm gonna edit this a bit. So, I just edit this eraser tool. Bruh. Okay. I really don't know how this works, so you're gonna have to forgive me if I fuck up something. Where's the... is this the eyedropper? Yeah, okay, I selected that. Is this the paintbrush? Yeah. Why are you doing this? Why? What? Excuse me? No, can I delete this, please? I really don't know how to fucking work this thing. I'm just gonna open it in Photoshop because why not? At least I know how to work Photoshop. I'll check this. So the difference between this one and the other one is like the player list required to be constructed mid-game and it just didn't work, whilst this thing, it is a part of the level. It just creates itself on the beginning of the level, which kind of sucks since I didn't really learn anything from it because I knew about that stuff since I was making other things similar to it. Downloads. Unknown. Loading. Okay, eyedropper. Yes, thank you. I'm gonna just delete this and fill it with. Actually, no. I'm gonna actually move this a bit downwards. Can you fit there? Okay. There we go. I'm gonna fill this. Why is the new version of Photoshop so confusing? Where's the bucket tool? Oh, right, the gradient paint bucket. Hey, excuse me? Why are you not working? Why are you not working? Paint bucket tool. What the fuck is? Oh, so only works when I have it selected. Okay. Well, I really forgot how to fucking use everything because I haven't do that. There we go. Text. Where's text? Now, I really don't know what text he used. So I might need to remake all this. I might need to remake the entire thing. I might need to remake the entire thing with a font I will use. I should have probably asked him before doing this. Oh boy. Can you please just give me the ability to set it up? Move it a bit. Bruh. Okay then. And it's completely small and dark and bleh, white. And also make it not big enough. Big enough. Okay, I think this is good. We're gonna have to remove main menu because this isn't the start thing. So let's just select main menu. Wait, that's not a good selection. There we go. Delete this. Type layer locked. Okay, can I please just delete this from there? Yes. There we go. Now let's just select these and let's move them up. What? Come on. Why is this not working? Just move both of them. Okay then. Fuck you then. I'll do it manually. Wow. Screw you, Photoshop. There you go. Let's just can I please just there we go. Now we just oh my fucking god. I just pixelate like turn every single pixel of these things. Oh my god, I hate this. I hate this. I literally despise this. Where the fuck is it? Why though? Why? Why? Why do you have to do that? Okay, you know what? Why am I doing this the hard way when I can just yeet? What the fuck did I do? Delete that. And just fill it. There. Now let's export that. Will it please export? Why is it not? Photoshop makes me want to die sometimes, okay? Okay, select. You know what, just, no. Save as, I'm just gonna save on your computer, please. I'm just gonna download, menu, PNG. Yeah, save, large file, I don't care, I really don't. I bet the concurrent viewers are literally 0. Yeah. I'll close this, it's gonna be 0 once I close it. Okay, there, it's done. Let's just go here, import it. Where did I import this thing? Literal color. Yeah, okay, there it is. Main menu, insert. And just, okay, so I'm gonna set this over top of this. Now let's set these buttons on top of this. I'm gonna put the host game to act like a create game. Actually, let me just can I turn off can I turn it opacity, color and opacity 0. Oh, that's just the text. Okay. Okay, turn the button to 0 though. Like, why is the button? There we go. That's much better. Start game. Will act like opacity. Quit the. Okay, game join. Let me just put this on top of this so that it can be seen. Join. We're also gonna keep this join game as default, and down here, IP field will need to come up here with it. Image. Okay, there we go. IP field. Okay, this will start the game, right? This is the button. Okay, let's create another button now. Button that will quit the game. Color and opacity, render, I guess, 0. There we go. So now when you click on quit game, it will quit. I think that should be it. We just need to implement the functionality of it now. On button, let me rename this. I'll go back and rename it. Button will be quit game. Quit game clicked. Then I think it was like this. Yeah, literally quit game. It should be just that. One unclicked quit game, it just quits. There we go. Let's try playing. Quit game quits the game. Start game. Start game does work. Okay. I thought it wouldn't work for a second, but hey, it did. Okay. I'm gonna also leave the tracers as a debug thing. Even though it's meant to be debug, I'm gonna leave them on for everyone because it will be more gmod-like, because gmod physics gun has a thing that shoots out of it and shows where you're aiming. And plus it makes it easier for me to not have to set up the thing. Not have to set up the gun to be aiming the correct direction completely. So people will be more forgiving, I hope. Let me freeze this like this. Let me place another rock down. Let's climb on said rock. Let's climb on this rock, then let's get up here. Okay, so let's try joining the game here. 127.0.0.1. Join game. Okay, hello there, sir. Okay, so I just noticed players that are spawned in after something is after something has been spawned will not see the they will see it, but it will need to be like first picked up or something like that by them, or like they need to interact with it probably first. Will that fix it? No, it doesn't fix it. But it did fix it for one of the things for some reason, like this rock and that rock. Was it? Wait, what? I swear I saw a rock here. Where the hell did it go? Okay then. I guess the physical lines do not work for everyone. And now it doesn't work. What the fuck? Let me see what's going on. Sometimes it just works, sometimes it just doesn't. Let's try to join again. 127.0.0.1. Maybe it works only when, okay, so it might only work. What the fuck? It might only work when you are first spawned in, since that's when the server recognizes, and your client might freak out because it hasn't been there. And never mind. Oh, okay then. Okay. So what? I mean, it works. It kind of works. The netcode, it kind of works, but it also doesn't. I don't really know what it wants to do. It probably wants to kill itself, but hey, can't allow that. I noticed that the arms aren't showing for everyone, so it might need to replicate. I might need to set the component to replicate. Where's... blueprints, first person, mesh 2P, replication. Well, it already replicates, but for some reason it just doesn't work. So, what? Huh, that's weird. Let's see what the gun does that the thing doesn't. Does it have anything on net? No, it doesn't have network of anything. Maybe there's something here. What if we enable this to replicate? One fatal issue. Create widget must. Oh, right. This I'm just gonna wipe it out because it just does not do jack shit. It is useless. 127.0.0.1. Oh well, I guess we don't need to see the arms, even though it was just but 3 in the eyes while looking only for a gun that is green on a map that includes green. I'm talking about the remake of Flat Grass in this. Anyways, let's go to level blueprint. Not really level blueprint. So we set it up, but we still don't have settings. I am pretty sure I will make settings the next video. Because I really don't know how to make settings. I'll probably just watch some tutorials, learn it real quick, and yeah. First person HUD. How does this work? Alright, I also have a HUD on the to-do list, so... What is this? I'm trying to see what this is supposed to be. First, oh, so this is the crosshair thing. Okay, so this is what draws the crosshair. I guess, okay, that works cool. We might want to also add another texture that is like health, but that will be later once I finish the creation of explosions for the explosive barrel. So far from what I've learned is that you need to be already in the game to be like, if you want to play with someone else and you want to see the objects that you're spawning and they will need to see the objects that you're spawning and you want to see the objects they are spawning, you might want to wait for your friend to join the game before connecting to them, before starting to do stuff like this. Let the other person join first, and then you can start doing stuff like spawning shit. Let's go to the client, and the client spawns stuff as well. Also, quick tip: if you want to use if you want to increase the length of this barrel that you're holding, like at what point you're holding it, just hold down Shift and W. It should increase, as you can see, and Shift S to decrease it. I'm gonna work a bit more on it so I can make it the default length. I'm not sure how to do that, but I will do it eventually, so yeah. Huh, okay, wait, what? So, I just noticed, maybe some of this might be bugged. The middle mouse button to freeze stuff might not work. Yeah. So for the client side, the middle freeze button does not work. We need to fix that real quick. Like, well, this netcode is really weird. It sometimes works, it sometimes doesn't, it just does whatever it wants to do. Spawning mechanics, physics gun, middle mouse button. Where's the middle mouse button? Come on, where's the middle mouse button? Okay, yeah, here. This is why it needs to be connected before the branch. Okay, so we need to create a custom event. Right, custom event. Freeze object. Let's connect it here. Make it replicate on server. Reliable. Then this go next to freeze object like this, and then we disconnect this from the thing, so we prevent like infinite loop from happening. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. I'm not sure, but I find that's how it works each time. So yeah. Let's start game. 127.0.0.1. Join game. Okay, so can you please pick it up? There we go. So now the client can also freeze stuff in the air, throw stuff. The only error I see here is this barrel. This barrel just refuses. It refuses to be spawned at the beginning of everything. It just refuses. I guess nobody's watching. Let me check. Yeah, concurrent viewers are 0. Last viewer left a bit ago. Feels bad, man. I guess what we did today was we made a new menu. Well, my friend made me the menu. I just implemented the works of it. It's not complete yet. I'm still gonna finish it up. I will also add a pause menu. Well, not a pause menu, but a quit. Like every time a person presses escape, it just returns them back to. It returns them back to the menu. Okay, open level. I really hope this doesn't cause it. Okay, I'm gonna run it on owning clients so it doesn't disconnect the server as well. Break link to open level. Custom event. Main menu. Opens map. Menu. Pressed. Main menu. Oh, oopsies. Let's set this to work on the client. Reliable. Compile. And now let's host here. Start game. And then here let's just 127.0.0.1. Did I forget the... Bro, why is it not typing? That's 0.0. Is there a dot here? No, okay. I hate playing in these small windows, but there isn't much options there. Okay. I don't know what I expected. I really don't know what I expected. Of course it's gonna close. Escape is meant for closing this. So let me just standalone game. Save selected. I'm gonna launch it as a standalone game so we can actually test this. I really don't know what I expected, but okay. Will it please launch? Please. There we go. Yes, Epic Games. I can't wait for Unreal Engine 5, though I don't know if you're gonna be able to port Unreal Engine 4 projects into Unreal Engine 5. I wish you would be able to port them in, so maybe I would be able to port this game in and be able to make it a bit more good looking and have a bit less problems with the netcode if they improve netcode in that version of the engine. Hopefully they do. Because this way of making netcode just sucks. Let me check the chat. Chat is dead. Concurrent viewers, 0. Did it boot up? Okay, yeah. Okay, let's just start game here. No? What? Is it just frozen or is it starting in the game? Oh, I guess it was starting the game. I guess it's lagging. Yeah, it was lagging. Okay. Let's go to this one and then just join it. 0.0.1. Okay, join game. So there we go, that guy joined. Wait, what? So, wait. Did he join? Why does it say it joined but then it didn't? What? I really do not understand what's going on right now. Oh god, the lag. This is why I need a better PC. Oh god, seriously, the lag is immeasurable. Let me just quit this one. It's either way, I'm not gonna use it. Why did it freeze now? Oh my fucking god. Okay, so it literally is frozen. It just doesn't it doesn't communicate jack shit anymore. It wants to die. It wants to commit suicide. And that's all because I'm lagging on the server and the client is just shitting itself. What was I gonna test? Alright, the escape. Will escape do anything? Yes, it escapes it to the menu. Just this green border. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix that up. Escape this. Okay, so both the server and the client can quit on their own. So we can now safely be able to go back, quit game, or just, start game again. Quit that. Okay, so now we're back at this. That should be it. I'm gonna make a settings menu. I mean, my friend has given me a settings menu already. Let me just import it real quick. So, textures. Unknown 2. There we go. I'll open it up so can it please load? There. So I don't know how I'm gonna be able to import, how I'm gonna be able to implement some of these, so I might just remove volume. Graphics I'm also gonna remove because graphics are probably the shittiest I've ever seen in a game that is made in Unreal Engine. Full screen, yeah, I guess that would be useful, and the resolution would also be useful. So yeah. I'm gonna remove this from the imports because I need to change it up. I'm gonna open it up in Photoshop. And also I have no volume. I haven't added any sounds. I'm still yet to add sounds, so yeah. Let's completely wipe this. Volume and graphics are gonna be gone. Let me just go a bit up so I can take out both of these. There we go. Let me take the bucket and fill it in, and I'm gonna select all these and move them up a bit. There. Let's fill up the back thing here. I still forget to select, deselect, and then fill this. Okay, done. Now we save this as save on computer. Bruh. PNG settings. .png save. So yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna implement the resolution and stuff. I mean, actually, you can resize the window, that's not a problem. The resolution isn't really a problem. I'm gonna implement it later, but for now, the resolution isn't really a problem. So you can resize it whenever you want. The full screen, however, some people might not know that F11 removes F11 makes it not full screen, so that's why I'm gonna make sure to keep full screen there. Let's move these up a bit. There we go, and select. We'll fill this. I'm gonna replace this with a button that changes this image with, okay, so let's file, save as, save on your computer, settings menu, save, yes, okay. Now let's edit this with, let's change this to yes. But first let's remove it. Bruh, no. Actually, why am I doing that? I can just select it and then remove it. Delete, fill, and then just text. Yes. Oh my fucking god, I just want to move the text. Why does it move everything? Yes, thank you. That should be good. Save as, settings menu, 2. Okay, I'm gonna import both of these into Unreal. Bruh. Where is this even used in? It's not referenced at all. Let's import menu, settings menu. Okay, yeah, so that would be it for now. I guess I'm gonna do the settings menu next stream. Let me cross off the proper menu from here and change it into settings menu. Okay, control save. And this still has to be done. I'm gonna probably do this off screen, and the basic HUD and the spawn menu, I'm gonna do it on screen. The remover and the physics gun changing, well, I would do it together with this. So yeah, I just need to learn how to fix that thing from not appearing, the HUD not appearing, like not the HUD, the widget. Because I think this would, the same problem we had with this, we'll have with this. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna update the game later, not today, but at the end of the week. Each week I will put updates that we've done through the week that I've streamed on the Game Jolt page. The Game Jolt page is in the description, I'm pretty sure. Let me check. No, I guess I can't really check from here, so I guess I'll just go from here, check real quick. I mean, it's saying it's sending 600 kilobytes a second. What do you mean it's not? Okay, yeah. Okay, so also the Discord for my server, I will be saying when I'm streaming there. So thank you guys for watching this live stream. I'm just gonna go now and do whatever. Thank you for watching, and see ya.